Thinking of exporting pet food? If you want to export pet food, you need to know which rules apply. There are different rules depending on things like the ingredients in your pet food and the market you're selling to. Just to be clear, when we say pet food, we mean food for cats and dogs. It includes food for regular meals, treats, and nutritional supplements. To help you work out what you need to do, we're going to ask you 3 questions. Firstly, can you call it pet food? To be called pet food under New Zealand rules, your product needs to meet our requirements for things like being fit for purpose, ingredients in manufacturing, labelling, and record keeping. The requirements we use are in the Agricultural Compounds and Veterinary Medicines Regulations. We call it ACVM for short. The second question is, what's in your pet food? Pet food can be made from animal products, grains and vegetables, or a mixture of both. If your pet food contains any animal products, the other rules you need to know about are in the Animal Products Act, or APA for short. You might need to register as an animal products exporter, meet the Overseas Market Access Requirements, or OMARs as we call them, make and handle your pet food under a risk management program or use a registered further pet food processor, and get an animal products export certificate. You can only get one if everyone under the supply chain has a risk management program. Finally, the third question is, what does your overseas market need you to do? Regardless of what your pet food is made of, ask your importer what your overseas market needs you to do. Some overseas markets need you to show that your pet food could be sold in New Zealand, even if you only plan on exporting it. You need to get a statement from MPI for this. So, that gives you a quick overview of the rules you need to know to export pet food. Go to the Steps to Exporting Pet Food page on our website to find out what you need to do. You'll find the Pet Food Glossary and Pet Food Decision Tree guides to help you. And if you've still got questions or just need a bit of help or advice, contact us at exporterhelp@mpi.govt.nz.